We all know that software is eating the world. But today, creating a web app is still a big pain in the ass because it relies on so many stuff like bug fixing, testing, hosting, and writing code. A lot of code. But we are changing this. We no longer need to write server-side business logic, test code, manage and scale your infrastructure. Meet Stamplay, a platform based on a visual programming language that gives developers superpowers to create web apps like never before. Stamplay brings together powerful components and your favorite services API in a way that you just have to pick them and define simple rules like, when a user signs up with Facebook, post it on his Facebook timeline and add him on a MailChimp list. Or when a user fills a form, reward him with a badge. Very easy. And that's it. You're up and running, and now you have access to all the front-end code, which is completely customizable, a way you can use your favorite tools, editors, and frameworks. But that's not all. So Stamplay even automatically generate a backend that gives you control on all your data. Our platform runs the app on a multi-tenancy engine that takes care of your data and provide rock-solid, scalable hosting powered by Windows Azure. Stamplay gives developer a way to save up to 90% of costs and time of software development and backend management. We're targeting 4.6 million of web professionals with HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript skills. And we are competing in the cloud backend as a service market that is expected to be 7.7 billion big by 2017. In a nutshell, we are a backend as a service on steroids, and we make life easier to all the developers that know what it takes to create a complex web app and who want to reinvent the wheel every time. Our revenue model is on a subscription basis for every active app. Our team is made by me, Giuliano Jacobelli, software engineer and entrepreneur since I was 17. My co-founder, Nicola Mattina, experienced entrepreneurial communication expert, 4 rather great developers, and 1 designer. We are successfully concluding our first pilot projects. In December, we signed a contract for 60 grants. And in February, we opened the public beta, starting testing our go-to-market strategy. Our ambition is to make software development so easy and beautiful that anyone that will need to create a web app will use Stamplay. We are now closing a 200,000 angel round to boost our go-to-market strategy. If you know what it takes to create software development, and you see software development becoming much more visual, you're still in time to be involved. And Jeremy Silvermer, after this, your famous developers quote is going to contain much less developers than it used to. Thank you.
Giuliano, great pitch. Thank you very much for coming here from Seedcamp,
Thank you
our partner, Seedcamp. So, Harry, apps needs analytics. What do you think? Question?
I mean, great pitch, and looks fantastic. The product, I like it's really come on since I last saw it as well. So, I guess I'd like to know a bit more about who you're targeting. Is this easy enough for the truly mass market? And if not, then at what point do you stop towards the sort of enterprise end?
Of course. Right now we are focusing on front-end developers mostly. But we still give them the possibility to create the front end as they want. And since you basically have access to all the APIs of the platform of your app that you created, that it provides you, you still need a little bit more technical knowledge right now, just to be narrow. But we have already in our mind a path to lower the entrance of barrier of this. Because people will be able to create apps and then make recipes on top of this that can be shared among all the other users. So any app created by a Stamplay user could become a template for the user that follows. And in this way, we're going to be lower and lower the entrance barriers of our platform. But right now, we're just focused on good skilled people with JavaScript and front-end development and leveraging the open source community so we can spread the product all around.
Great. Thank you very much. Thanks for that.